As we are in the end of this course, we are going to finish in a couple of hours. Are you feeling more confident in the management of compromised sockets from now on, according to what you have done in the past in the management of cases, such a very challenging clinical case when it's missing, for example, the buccal wall, or we have the combination between buccal wall and soft tissue lost together?
Definitely, and definitely I'm going to try it. First of all, because I find it easier being flapless, being non-invasive for the patient, especially in the anterior area. And second of all, because I'm quite a huge fan of digital workflow. I do digital for many, many years, placing, yeah. So it is definitely a procedure I'm going to do. Shame on me, because I heard it only last year. I heard about it only last year with the Implant Today's course. So that's why I've taken this course, yeah, because it's something new for me, and definitely I'm going to put it into practice.
In your opinion, what's the main benefits of the IDR technique for the patients?
First of all, immediate loading, flapless. Definitely the healing looks like it's faster, it's better. Aesthetic zone, you recover really well the aesthetic zone. You don't lose papillae, so this is the main benefit for the patient.
And it's also much more biological in your point of view?
Yes, especially because you harvest without using any saline, without using trauma to the bone. To me, that was interesting, because I always used to harvest piezo or just trephine burr. So definitely, and to be totally honest, I never knew that actually the osteoclast dies when you do that. So yeah, definitely, I think is more biological for the patient, definitely.
So from now on, you think you are ready to start applying this technique next Monday to your patients?
If I get the tools, yeah.
Yes, you have the tools.
I'm waiting to get them through the post. Yeah, so yeah, definitely. And also, I like to thank you, because you've been really interactive with us, really helpful. It really mattered that you came with, we have the interaction one by one. So it's not just a speaker that stays there and yeah, you interact, you ask the questions, you make us think about the procedure. So yeah, really, really thank you. Thank you very much.
I think to believe this technique, you should start thinking a little bit outside the box, isn't it?
Yes, definitely. You constantly have to. It's a challenging one. Don't get me wrong, because let's say that if in the anterior area it's an easy access, to harvest is not an easy access. So definitely, it's going to be challenging for all of the team, not only for us as a dentist. Yeah, definitely. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.